Titus Jones here at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. Today we are on this 230 cruiser and it's beautiful by Harris. It is a gray on silver with the black out package accent color. It's remarkable, man. I'm sitting here at the helm. It's got a Simrad here. Got a tilted steering wheel, wet sound stereo, toggle switches, wireless phone charger. This boat comes new with the brand new, all new lily pad ladder. It's an awesome feature. It has a 150 horse Mercury, and right underneath me, I'm sitting on an insulated cooler. Stainless steel ski tow bar. This is the dual helm single lounger model. What else could I say, man? It's a beautiful boat. Let's go. I'm here at the very spacious bow of this 230 Harris. Like I said, you guys, the Harris is an outstanding boat. You guys gotta get you one. If you wanna come see this one in person, however, come to Fort Walton Beach MarineMax and ask for Titus Jones. We'll see you soon.